Hi guys. I don't have words to say. I'm tired. I just want to take a video.
I just want to sleep.
That's all. Did you see that? Too hot, guys.
Yeah, it's too handsome.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to look at them. Because what are they?
Oh my God.
Ang ganda naman ng tanay nila.
Oo.
I-upload ko lang ito sa Facebook. Tapos nalagyan ko ng pangalan. Pati yung chocolate. Mga chocolate. Hindi lang makapasok dito. Promise.
They have a nice tunnel here. Then, I think, no, we will take the lift.
We can go upstairs, no problem.
No, I don't want.
No, she's
I'm tired. See? See what I'm wearing right now. You want me to go 40 steps upstairs?
Why you didn't bring down shoes? Ate, dapat nag-brown ka ng down shoes.
Hi, Karen.
Hi. B2.
Are there,
Ground.
no, up. But this is ground. Hmm? Maybe B2.
B2. Baka papaakyat tayo dito.
Okay lang, baba lang, ano lang tayo?
Get lost. Hi.
May connection pa rin tayo kahit nasa lift tayo.
Wala kaya. Wala na ako. Kasi may data ka eh.
Oh!
It's a beautiful.
Ang galing! It's a
Beautiful.
Ma'am, gusto mo mag-bar? Dito, Woso.
Meron siya.
Oo, may club pala dito. Anong tawag to? Margaret ba yung pangalan? Or ano? Yung taas nito, bar. Ito pa yung matutuladakan namin. Hindi
Wala
ba-
na akong ano.
Wala ka ng data?
No, not out data. I don't have charge.
I know him.
Oo, ito nga yun.
Wait, I know him. Wait.
Yeah, I remember also but
Mr. Shannon? Mr. Shannon. Si Mr. Shannon yun.
bakit ako nga pala?
Ha?
Is that Snapchat?
No, it's
What is
live.
it? Wait, what's
Say
happening?
hi.
Come to Asia the Cuba on the Corniche. We've got happy hour from 3 till 8:30, 50% on food and drinks. Come right through. Come check it out.
After sometimes.
Okay, no problem.
Don't worry, we will go there.
Huh?
What is that? Asia.
picture.
Asia
Okay,
the
let's take a
Cuba.
picture. Why don't you come in and then check it out? There's some good stuff. Okay.
No, here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Ito, oh.
Kilala ko si Mr. Shannon yun, di ba?
Kaya nga tumingin nga sa atin.
Oo.
Ito, Arabic Club, ma'am. Yan,
Asan?
yung
Yan.
catch.
Catch.
Oo, sister company yan ng History yan nila, ano. Club
Okay,
din yan.
let's check it out inside.
Where?
The one he said.
Asia the
Uy, ang
Cuba.
ganda dun, oh.
Tara, punta tayo doon. Ang tawa ko lang pag ako nadapa talaga dito. Ay, ang ganda niya. We were gonna have a shooting here, near the beach.
Ang ganda naman, oh.
What's the title of your movie? Karen and Cheryl?
I think it's Bob Marley, but I don't know the title.
Under the Sunset.
Under the Sunset. Okay. Please watch the movie Under the Sunset. Coming very soon.
Wow, I like the ambiance.
Yeah, it's nice here.
Kung ano tayo na, break na. Basta alam ko 6:30 na.
Meron na akong ano dito. Power bank. Meron din na.
Oh, may power bank yan.
Kasi tabi.
Grabe yan siya.
Sana nag-date. Para
Ay, may prenuptial ano sila, oh.
Wow!
Prenuptial. Hi! It's your place also? That is your place also? Wow.
Ate, can we check it out inside? Because he cannot wait. Okay, no problem. Just wait.
Sure. Just 5 minutes.
Give us 5 minutes.
Paano yung open?
Bukuin ko kay Bob Marley, ah.
Guys, we cannot believe Bob Morley's alive. Alive! Still alive!
Ano ba yun, ma'am? Sino ba yun? Hindi ko kilala si Bob.
The one is working inside. I think he's
Kalo ko naman Hollywood, ano?
Palagay ko band. Siguro band yun.
Just check it out. Okay, later after some
So
time.
let's watch those
Oh, mag-picture tayo doon. Kaya lang.
couple. At
May naman ako
prenuptial.
doon. Bukas na lang sa ano, Cornish. Pero tinuwi yun.
Pero ayokong pumunta. Paano siya nakalakad?
Prenuptial.
Siyempre, taste ganda yun sa picture. Di naman makikita.
Oo nga.
Sweet nila, no?
Mm-mm. Ang ganda.
Kuwanan mo ako, girl.
Sige.
Girl, buti na lang may power bank ako palagi.
Laging handa.
Ate, magpapapicture ako.
Uy, di dyan, dito.
Ay, dito?
Oo, ayan o.
Teka lang, under the sun.
Ang ganda. Sexyhan mo yung pose mo, ah.
Dilitan ko yung chan ko.
O, sige.
Ano ba yan, nakalive?
Oo, nakalive.
Pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
O, ikaw naman. Tumapo ang mata ko, nilagay ko sa siya. Uy, ang ganda. 1, 2, 3. O, isa pa. Maganda sana dito sa sunset, to. Gusto ko siya gagaling pa.
Sige nga.
Nakawakan.
Paano mo na yung picture?
Tingnan ko sa camera.
O, sige.
Parang ba siya? Ganon? Ganyan?
Malaki. Ito yung dapat hawakan mo dito pa.
Saan? Ay, dito.
Oo, kasi... O, sige, sige, sige. Yan, yan. Ayan, sige. Medyo malaki yung sun eh. Ayan. Isa pa ha.
Ayan.
Malaki yung araw.
Dapat malaki ganon.
Hindi, I mean mas malaki sa'yo yung araw.
Ano gagawin ko? Ganon, ganon. Ate, can you please stop?
Mga kaibigan, ang laki ng problema niya. Ano daw gagawin niya?
Araw, I mean mas malaki sa'yo.